Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make rice like a hotel using an easy method. First, select a high-quality long-grain rice, such as basmati or jasmine, for that perfect texture and aroma. Next, rinse the rice under cold water until it runs completely clear. This removes excess starch, preventing stickiness. Finally, measure your ingredients carefully, using exactly 2 cups of water for every 1 cup of rice. Now, let's cook it perfectly. Bring your measured water to a rolling boil in a heavy-bottomed pot. Once boiling, add the rinsed rice, stir once, then immediately reduce the heat to its lowest setting. Cover the pot tightly with a lid. Allow the rice to cook undisturbed for precisely 15 minutes. It is crucial not to lift the lid at all during this time. The next step is vital for achieving that fluffy, separate grain texture. After 15 minutes of cooking, remove the pot from the heat but keep the lid firmly on. Let the rice rest, still covered, for an additional 10 minutes. This allows the steam to redistribute, ensuring every grain is perfectly cooked. Finally, gently fluff the rice with a fork before serving. For an even more elevated experience, consider these pro tips. Add a small pinch of salt to the water before boiling to enhance the natural flavor of the rice. A tiny amount of butter or a few drops of oil can also be added to the water to prevent sticking and add a subtle richness. Always serve your perfectly cooked rice immediately for the best taste and texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.